Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel with your boy John Thick Whips. And today we're back at it again with another feature film on this F80 M3. Sit back, relax, grab yourself a coffee. It's gonna be a great video.
If I did a black M3, that's exactly what I would do. That thing is so clean. God, that car looks good.
F80Ho feature film day.
Yes, sir.
Cleanest black F80 on the block.
Yes, sir.
I came down here for one reason. I just want to see some palm trees.
What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we got F80Ho. We are down in Orlando, Florida. Flew down here with my man Jay, but we are doing a feature film on this beautiful F80. All right, so we're gonna call Viet over, but this is his F80, freaking beautiful. Viet came from a black F30 that was completely built out. I've actually known him for a really long time through the F30 world. Finally, we get to come to Orlando and check out his beautiful F80 build. This car is making me want to buy an F80. Absolutely. All right, guys, Viet, F80Ho. We made it to Orlando. I finally get to film his car. Dude, so good to put a face to the Instagram handle. Like, we've known each other for so long, and that's the crazy part about Instagram and like the BMW community. You meet all these people online, but putting the face to the actual Instagram handle is like, priceless.
Exactly. I've known John for what, 3 years now?
Yeah,
and
dog.
The first time I was watching John, he's on his GoPro Hero 5, and the man had like 200 views on the videos. He showed me how to Bimmercode, and look where he is now. So
came a long way.
We've come a long
and
way.
Now we're traveling and doing it, which is so sick.
It's good, finally good to put a face to the car and the channel. I'm his biggest fan.
Hell yeah, we got fans out here. Viet, all right, so today obviously we're gonna talk about a little bit about your F80, but before you had the F80, you obviously had an F30, and that was how we got to know each other.
Exactly.
You had a black F30, right?
Yep.
Give me a quick overview, like what was done to that car and kind of what you ended up doing to it, where it went and all that.
So I had a 2013 F30 328, similar to John. And I bought my car a couple months right after you started doing your YouTube channel.
Yep.
It was black on black sapphire metallic, and I did everything I could to it. Everybody knows how fast I modded that car.
Yeah, you had so much stuff.
Everybody knows how financially dumb that was. But we had a good time doing that. And without that car, without the 328 for both of us, I could say, we wouldn't have made all these networks, these friends from Instagram, and these lifelong probably friendships we're gonna have. So that car did everything for me, and it was a great build. It was super fun. Everyone loved it.
It makes you appreciate the F80 a little more too.
It makes me appreciate the F80,
like you came from,
because I came from the 328, exactly. But yeah, I did everything I could to it. Full bolt-on, upgraded turbo, and all that just to push 280 to the wheel.
It's tough. The N20 life is rough, bro.
I came from a Jetta, so I mean the power was fun. It came time where an opportunity came, and you know the F80's always been a dream car of mine. I didn't think I was gonna get it. I didn't think I was gonna get it for another 2 to 3 years.
Yeah.
But when an opportunity presents itself,
bro, and it's so clean.
You got upgrades.
It's so sick, and obviously it's competition. So like, so 2017. Why don't we talk a little bit about the exterior first? Tell me what you've got done to the exterior. It's really the reason I like this car the most, man. He didn't do too much. He did just the right amount of modifications. It's super clean.
OEM plus.
Yeah, OEM plus, bro. Tell me what you have done to the exterior of this car.
From front to rear, we got a Monaco Motorsports V-style lip, carbon fiber, of course. We have the OEM and Performance carbon fiber side skirts, and moving along to the rear, not many mods, but you know, we keep it clean, but we do a lot.
You don't need a lot.
And the small mods that we have. We have a PSM style spoiler from Icon Motorsports. We also have a PSM style diffuser that I bought from Miguel Beamer. Shout out to him. Everybody always asks me about my tips, and these are from Burger Motorsports, so JB4, shout out to them. No one really knows that they make tips and stuff like that. I switched from the competition black tips to the silver ones to match it really contrasts good with the wheels, and they really pop in the pictures, especially in the rear. They're 3.75 inches. Everybody always asks me that. I think I'm gonna upgrade down the road to 4 inches, but big boys. And then I wouldn't consider this a mod, but I got my Your Customs carbon fiber license plate holder with my Instagram handle as my license plate. I've ran that since my F30. I'm a fan of running no stickers on your car. I think it's cleaner. So yeah, coming from an fully built F30, me and John both upgraded the headlights, the tail lights to the LCIs.
Yeah,
so
one of the things that I really like about his car, and like not many people have done it, is he switched to the Icon headlights. He had the like normal like xenons, right?
I have the LED adaptive, but yeah, they're the halos.
Yeah, so he had the LED adaptive, but they were just like the normal halos, but he upgraded this to the OEM Icon headlights, which you don't see a lot of people doing because it's like not easy to do.
It's fucking expensive.
Bro, and it's expensive as hell. And like he did it himself in his garage. He actually made a video on it.
John's the first person to ever see a vlog that I had, and it was the most cringiest video ever.
But you gotta start.
You gotta start somewhere. But
bro.
he told me 2-3 years ago, just do it, just start. Yeah, and I did it. Most cringiest thing ever. I took it down from my channel. But since getting an F80, I started again, and yeah, we're just doing small stuff.
Your Icon headlights, like not a lot of people have done that, and that's one of your best performing videos.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
So he's out there doing some dope shit.
It's not a cheap mod, but it was worth it. I actually was able to sell my stock headlights for about half the price I paid for the Icon. So
oh, you were?
Yeah, so I recouped some money. Made you cry less.
Well, yeah. What did the Icons cost?
They cost $3.
That's not that bad.
That's not bad.
Yeah, that's like custom headlights. These look really good because they're OEM.
Yeah.
Like, they're really, really clean. Then you had to have them coated, right?
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
So out the door, probably like 3,200. But it's not bad. I mean, it's probably my favorite mod besides the diffuser.
Yeah.
And it just updates the headlights, or updates the whole car eventually,
yeah.
you know?
Yeah, it brings it up.
Exactly.
What are you lowered on?
I'm lowered on KW Haas kit.
Yep.
Similar to what he had on his M2.
Yep.
I absolutely love him for the price. I actually got him used for, I think, $500-600 bucks. So it's a pretty good bargain. Yeah, and they do the good job for the price range they're in. Yeah. And they feel great. Maybe one day. Perfect. Yeah, the drop is amazing. I'm not maxed out in the front yet because I don't want to ruin my front lip, of course. I've had a good streak of not breaking any lips on my F30, and I plan to keep it that way with the F80 as well.
For sure.
I'm maxed out in the rear with a 12mm spacer on the front and then a 15mm spacer on the rear.
It looks really good.
And yeah, people always ask me.
No rubbing or anything?
No rubbing. People always ask me about that too.
Yeah. No, it looks
most
really
asked
nice.
question on the F30
yeah. What do you have for performance on this car?
Right now we are stock, one stock gang.
Stock boys.
But stock boys, yeah. We have big plans for 2021. I'm currently in the market right now for a house. I put all mods on hold until next year, which is only a couple days away.
That's a smart move.
But yeah, we're gonna get a house. You already know, number one thing we need is a garage on the wish list. So we're looking forward to doing that. And then plans for the future. I'm gonna get active auto work, equal length mid pipe. You just made a video on that. Sounds amazing. Gets rid of the rasp. I think it sounds super smooth.
I agree.
And then your boy has to do his crank hub. Crank hub.
Crank hub.
You got to do it. Right after we do the crank hub, you already know, tune, down pipe, custom tune,
full send,
E30.
E30.
Fully 85, you already know. Because then I won't have to worry about my engine blowing up or seizing.
So you obviously have a different steering wheel setup, or actually stock steering wheel just wrapped or what?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it looks really good. That's clean. And then the carbon fiber and everything. Did it come with all the other carbon?
Yeah, this package came with the carbon inside.
Sick. I like the blue too.
Which is something that goes.
You don't see a lot of people doing the blue like that.
Yeah. Yeah, everyone usually opts for red. The steering wheel is the wrap off of Amazon. It's a steering wheel cover. People always ask me about it. I got it for $60 on Amazon. I'm gonna upgrade the wheel eventually, but I got the M Performance carbon fiber trim, the M1 buttons in blue, which matches the BMW logo.
Bro, I love the
on
blue,
the airbag.
man. The blue looks really good.
And then behind there, I got the blue start stop. And then I have my carbon fiber paddles from Carbon X Auto. And then everybody always loves this. I have blue cluster overlays from Your Customs PR. I mean, at night, you should see them. They light up so insane, yeah. And then I was just going with the blue theme. I was gonna do red, but you know, everybody does red.
No, this is sick. I like the blue.
Yeah, and I figured why not match the brakes a little bit, so I have a little blue theme going on. So the story behind my F80 is I originally, like I said before, I wasn't trying to sell my F30 originally back in March. The opportunity just arose, and I just tested some waters, put it on Facebook, and 2 days later, Someone came, handed me a check for the full amount that I was asking, and the rest was history. I get that done. It's crazy. I have the opportunity to search for an F80 finally. I wanted to switch it up. I wanted to get a white F80 with some red interior, you know, everybody's favorite spec, you know. I wasn't actually looking for a competition package at the time, but I always dreamed about it, but it was a little too over my price range. I actually stumbled upon a white F80 and the red interior a month before I found that car. Our friend Nick, F80 Ghost, got the same exact spec. And deep down inside, I wanted to get the car, but at the same time, I really didn't want to impose and kind of, not copy, but you know what I mean. I didn't want the same build, and same looking build. So shout out to Nick, but I went back to the drawing board and I found this competition in Jersey actually. It had 40,000 miles, one single owner lease, the competition seats, the wheels, they just got me, and it's faster from the factory. And I've always wanted a competition package, like I said, and I had to sacrifice some things. I had to sacrifice the red interior, but I got my dream car. And I like the black. I know you're a fan of black interior, so I got the black interior, and I love the slits in the competition seats. I mean, they hold you in snug, and they look badass.
Oh yeah, bro. Well, why don't we go for a little ride?
Let's do it.
Oh yeah. Dude, even stock, bro. Even stock though, dude. This thing is quick.
Coming from an N20, this thing feels like a rocket coming from that. So
it's stock exhaust and everything, huh?
Stock
sounds,
everything.
Sounds
so
really good.
Another plus getting the competition package is it's a little faster. It's like 444 from the factory, and then you get natural burbles.
All right, guys, so that is F80Ho's build. Dude, thank you so much for coming on the channel, bro.
Thank you for coming
so
down.
good to meet you and like, put a face to the Instagram. Exactly, I really appreciate you being hospitable to us boys from the Charlotte area.
You guys had a good time for sure.
Beautiful build, man. Really excited to see what you end up doing with this, man. Like, I know that you went all out with your F30. It looked really, really good. For sure. I have a feeling 2021 has got, it's gonna be big for this car and
big
you.
Plans. Pray for our wallets.
R.I.P. R.I.P. money.
But I want to thank John for doing this feature film.
Absolutely.
It's good to put faces to builds, especially people you've known for 3 years. So I appreciate John for everything he does.
I'm gonna leave all of his information down below, you guys. Make sure you go check out his Instagram, subscribe to his YouTube. But that is effectively gonna end this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, comment down below, like this video, hit that bell notification. Just like that, this video's over.
We're out. Peace.